Good evening, everyone. We are Zulhadif, Agustine I.Perez, and we're here to present a comparison of gas metal arc welding and gas tungsten arc welding. Welding is a fundamental fabrication process that joins materials, usually metals, by causing coalescence using heat. For those unfamiliar, gas metal arc welding uses a consumable wire electrode, while gas tungsten arc welding uses a non-consumable tungsten electrode. Now I'm going to talk about the methods, machine, shielding gas, and electrodes for gas metal arc welding and gas tungsten arc welding. Let's start with the setup for gas metal arc welding. The methods involve continuous wire feeding, making it semi-automatic or fully automatic. The machine uses a constant voltage power source, and the shielding gas can be argon, carbon dioxide, or a mixture. Remember, the electrode here is the wire itself. It's consumable. Now, looking at gas tungsten arc welding. This method can be manual or automatic, and a separate filler rod is optional. The machine requires a constant current power source, and it must use inert gases like argon or helium for shielding. For the next slide, I'm going to pass it to my friend Agustin. Thank you.
Thank you, Zulhadif. I will cover the electrical setup and the performance differences, which often determine which process is chosen for a job. For GMAW, the current is typically DC or pulse DC, and we predominantly use DC polarity. This polarity is key because it gives us deeper penetration and a stable arc. For GTAW, we have more flexibility using either DC or AC current. We use DC for welding steels, but we must switch to AC for aluminum. AC is necessary because it performs an essential cleaning action on the aluminum oxide layer. Now let's look at the performance, starting with GTAW. It is advantageous that it produces high quality, precious welds and is excellent for thin material. However, it is slower and requires more skill from the operator. For GMAW, it has the opposite profile. Its advantages are high deposition rate and its
Finally, I will address the critical issues of weld quality and our conclusion. First, common welding defects. While our slide titled dissection, we must highlight the common defects like cracks, porosity, or we can call it tape gas holes, undercut or groove next to the weld, and lack of fusion or penetration are the leading cause of weld failure and must be rigorously prevented. The second quality issue is distortion in welding caused by uneven heating and cooling. We can manage this by using clamps or jigs, resetting joints, using a balanced welding sequence, and keeping the heat input low. This minimize issue like longitudinal and transverse shrinkage. To conclude, the choice is simple. GMAW is the process for speed, efficiency, and production. GTAW is the process for clean, precious result and high quality wells. That's all. Thank you.